Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Clock app and selecting the Alarm tab. That gets you into the Alarm Editor. Tap the plus icon to create new or pick an existing alarm to change its sound. Make sure your phone volume is up and Do Not Disturb is configured to allow alarms, because otherwise you won't hear it. Once done, you're ready to choose the audio source, which is the next step we'll cover. This is where the sound actually gets set. Now tap Alarm Sound or Ringtone to open the picker. This is where you select what plays. You can choose a built-in tone for reliability, or tap Add to pick an MP3 from storage if you want a song. If you use a file picker, navigate to the folder, select the file, and confirm. Android links that file to the alarm. Make sure the file format is supported, because unsupported codecs won't play when the alarm triggers. Finish by saving the alarm and enabling it. Double-check the time and repeat options so it fires when you expect. You should test immediately, set the alarm 1 minute ahead, then wait to confirm the chosen sound plays. If you don't hear anything, make sure media and alarm volumes are up, that Do Not Disturb allows alarms, and that the audio file is compatible with Android. If problems persist, change to a default tone to isolate whether the file is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.